Welcome, kitchen enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the heart of your home, the kitchen, where trends are constantly evolving. If you're looking to breathe new life into your culinary space, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 kitchen trends for 2024 that are set to redefine the way we design, cook, and gather. In the fast-paced world of design, staying ahead of the curve is key. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just love a stylish kitchen, these trends are sure to inspire and elevate your space. From vibrant color palettes to cutting-edge technology, we've gathered insights from experts and design forecasts to bring you the ultimate guide to transforming your kitchen into a 2024 haven. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the latest and greatest in kitchen design. Let's explore how you can revamp your kitchen and make it a true reflection of your style and the trends shaping the culinary landscape. Without further ado, let's jump into the exciting world of 2024 kitchen trends. Now, let's kick things off with a burst of color. In 2024, kitchens are embracing the trend of saturated hues. No more playing it safe with neutral tones, bold and vibrant colors are taking center stage. Picture deep blues, rich greens, and daring reds transforming kitchen spaces into lively, energetic hubs of creativity. Designers are advocating for this trend, emphasizing the impact that a splash of bold color can have on the overall aesthetics of a kitchen. The idea is to move away from the mundane and inject personality into your space through your color choices. So, if you've been contemplating a kitchen makeover, consider adding a pop of color that resonates with your style and sets a trend-setting tone. Stay tuned as we explore more exciting kitchen trends for 2024, and don't forget to subscribe for a steady stream of design inspiration. Moving into the future, our kitchens are becoming smarter than ever. Integrated technology is not just a trend, it's a game changer. In 2024, we're witnessing the seamless fusion of culinary expertise and cutting-edge tech, creating a kitchen experience like never before. Imagine appliances that communicate with each other, making your cooking process more efficient. Smart refrigerators that suggest recipes based on the ingredients inside, and intuitive cooking devices that learn your preferences, these are not just fantasies, but real possibilities in the modern kitchen. Designers and tech enthusiasts alike are eagerly embracing this trend, recognizing that technology isn't just about convenience, it's about enhancing the joy of cooking. In the evolving landscape of kitchen design, the importance of sustainable materials extends beyond aesthetics. It's a commitment to a greener lifestyle. Opting for eco-friendly materials is a conscious choice with far-reaching benefits. Reducing the environmental impact is at the core of this trend. Sustainable materials, such as recycled glass countertops and bamboo cabinetry, not only enhance aesthetics but contribute to the preservation of natural resources. The energy efficiency of these materials is noteworthy, requiring less energy during production and decreasing the overall carbon footprint. Their enhanced durability ensures a longer lifespan, reducing the frequency of replacements and subsequent environmental impact. Sustainable choices also promote responsible waste management through recyclability, supporting the principles of a circular economy. Beyond environmental aspects, these materials often boast lower volatile organic compound (VOC) content, contributing to healthier indoor air quality. As you embark on your kitchen design journey, consider the myriad benefits of sustainable materials. It's not just about creating a beautiful space, but actively participating in a global shift towards a more sustainable and eco-conscious lifestyle. If this resonates with you, share the commitment to a greener kitchen future. In the realm of 2024 kitchen trends, diversity is celebrated through mixed material finishes. No longer confined to a single texture, kitchens are embracing a harmonious blend of different materials. Imagine the fusion of sleek metals, warm woods, and smooth stone, creating a dynamic visual tapestry that adds depth and character to your culinary space. Designers are encouraging this trend, recognizing that mixing materials allows for greater personalization and creativity. From countertops to cabinetry handles, we'll explore how this trend can elevate your kitchen's aesthetic appeal and provide practical tips on achieving a cohesive and balanced look. Say goodbye to traditional closed cabinets and welcome the airy charm of open shelving in your kitchen. As we journey through 2024, this trend is gaining momentum, offering a fresh perspective on storage solutions and design aesthetic. Open shelving not only adds a sense of spaciousness, but also provides an opportunity to showcase your personality through curated displays. Designers are advocating for this trend, emphasizing the accessibility and visual appeal it brings to the kitchen space. Step into the kitchen of the future with the embrace of biophilic design elements in 2024. This trend signifies a harmonious union between the natural world and your culinary haven, fostering a sense of tranquility and connection. Designers are integrating nature-inspired elements like organic shapes, natural materials, and abundant greenery into kitchen spaces. Beyond aesthetics, biophilic design is recognized for its positive impact on well-being, creating a soothing environment that echoes the serenity of the outdoors. In 2024, kitchens are embraced biophilic design elements, fostering a connection with nature within interior spaces. This trend involves integrating natural elements to create a harmonious and soothing environment. Biophilic design goes beyond visual aesthetics, promoting mental well-being by creating spaces that resonate with our innate connection to the natural world. Designers encourage homeowners to embrace these elements, fostering a kitchen environment that not only looks beautiful but also contributes to a sense of calm and balance. In 2024, kitchens are undergoing a visual revolution with bold backsplashes at the forefront. Departing from tradition, intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and unconventional materials like metal and reclaimed wood are reshaping the narrative. These backsplashes transcend mere functionality, evolving into captivating focal points that demand attention. Homeowners are seizing the opportunity for personal expression, turning these elements into canvases that mirror individual style. The trend introduces contrast, drama, and versatility, with diverse tile shapes and mixed materials contributing to a dynamic visual landscape. Kitchens are no longer just practical spaces, they've become artistic expressions, with bold backsplashes leading the charge in infusing character and flair into every culinary haven. 2024 heralds a shift towards adaptable and multifunctional kitchen spaces. The traditional kitchen layout is giving way to a more versatile approach, accommodating diverse needs and lifestyles. In this evolution, the kitchen becomes a dynamic hub, adjusting to the demands of modern living. Flexible layouts prioritize functionality, enabling seamless transitions between cooking, dining, and entertaining. Designers are championing this trend, recognizing that a flexible layout enhances the overall efficiency of the kitchen. Homeowners can customize the space to suit their unique preferences, promoting a tailored and personalized culinary experience. Embrace the transformation as kitchens redefine themselves, not just as places for meal preparation, but as versatile environments that cater to the ever-changing rhythms of contemporary life. As we journey through the dynamic landscape of kitchen trends in 2024, it's evident that our culinary spaces are undergoing a remarkable transformation. From embracing vibrant hues to integrating advanced technology, sustainability, and the infusion of natural elements, kitchens are no longer just functional, they're expressions of individuality and lifestyle. Bold backsplashes emerge as artistic focal points, breaking away from convention to inject personality and drama. Meanwhile, the flexibility of layouts signifies a departure from the static kitchen, adapting seamlessly to the diverse needs of modern living. In this era of innovation and creativity, each kitchen becomes a canvas for self-expression and functionality. As you embark on your kitchen design journey, consider the myriad possibilities these trends offer, shaping a space that resonates with your unique style and the dynamic rhythms of contemporary living. Here's to kitchens that are not just spaces for culinary creations, but expressions of personal taste and lifestyle choices. If you found these trends inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and spread the creative energy. Engage with fellow kitchen enthusiasts, and let's build a community where design ideas flourish. Subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of home aesthetics. Cheers to kitchens that tell a unique story and inspire us daily.